In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see and view licenses and product key activation on your account on Steam. This is handy when you want to confirm which games and DLC you own, check what you've redeemed with product keys, or just review your purchase history in one clean list. Start by launching the Steam desktop app and signing into your account securely. Make sure you're on your own account and that the client is fully loaded on the main window. A stable internet connection helps the pages load quickly, and if Steam prompts you to update, it's a good idea to let it finish before moving on. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the main Steam window. You'll see your profile name next to your avatar. Click that name or the profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. This menu is your quick path to account-related settings and details, so it's the easiest way to get where we need to go. From that drop-down, choose Account Details. This opens your account overview page, which is where Steam keeps key information about your wallet, purchase methods, and transaction history. Think of it as the hub for everything tied to what you've bought, activated, or redeemed on your account. On the Account Details page, glance over to the right-hand side for a section labeled Store Purchase History. Depending on your window size, you might need to scroll a bit to see it, but it will be on the right. This box groups together links that relate to your orders, spending, and the licenses attached to your account. In that box, click View Licenses and Product Key Activations. This opens a detailed list of everything that has been granted to your account, including games, DLC, software, and items added through retail key activations. You'll typically see the product name, how it was acquired such as a direct purchase, a free promotion, or a product key and the date it was added. It's a reliable way to verify that a bundle or key you redeemed actually applied to your account. If your list is long, use your operating system's find shortcut to quickly search for a specific title. And if something doesn't appear as expected, double-check that you're signed into the right account, especially if you use multiple profiles on the same device. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.